Hello and welcome back for another Gala Games prize prediction update, and in this video I'll be diving deep into the technical analysis here on the Gala Games chart and also give you my next price targets. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And at the time of this recording, Gala Games is holding above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. And the next key area of resistance to keep our eyes on is at around the $0.02616 mark. And the moment we manage to break above that, we can watch out for a successful retest and then continue gearing up. We have also been seeing this breakdown move in the formation of these wave 2 into the minimum retracement area, highlighted here on the charts using this red target area, which is an area that we have now fully maximized, and we are now seeing a reaction of this target area. And in fact, today we have seen a very nice pump to the upper side, and by just giving you a measure, you can see that the market is now up by more than 8.02%, which is a very nice bounce to the upper side. And all this is playing out obeying the Elliot structures, where you can see that after seeing the massive breakdown on the 10th of June, giving us a low at around the $0.018 mark, we first picked in this 1-2 setup, fully maximizing minimum target areas. Then we started this other 1-2 setup where we now have a wave 1 in place, a breakdown move in the formation of this wave 2, and now we are seeing a very nice reaction to the upside in what could be the start of an impulse to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3, and giving you minimum target areas for the third wave by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. I get a minimum target area at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.03552 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting Gala Games to do in the formation of that wave 3 before we can expect a wave 4 and then continue gearing up in the formation of this wave 5. So here on the charts, on the short-term point of view, we need to see a break above the key area of resistance at around the $0.02616 mark, get a successful retest, see a break above the wave 1 high for this Elliot structure at around the $0.029 mark, and once that move plays out, then that is enough confirmation that we are now in an impulsive wave in the formation of that wave 3, and we can expect then Gala Games to fully maximize our minimum target areas. And in the formation of this wave 3, which is impulsive, I'm also expecting Gala Games to give us a complete 5-wave structure to the upper side, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our minimum target areas. And this is because of the impulsiveness in the formation of this wave 3. I will also be watching for such a scenario on the short time, on the lower time frames here on the Gala Games chart. And once I have a valid Elliot structure on the lower time frame, I'll be keeping you updated, and also taking a look at the indicators to see what movements will be supported. On the RSI, we are trading at around the 63 mark. On the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you updated.